Mga Pilipina ang bida sa isang malaking musical stage production sa Winnipeg. Isa pong Pinay ang napiling gumanap sa lead role sa musical na ipinapalabas ngayon sa Royal Manitoba Theatre Center. Narito ang report. Ilan lamang ito sa mga eksena ng dinarayong musical stage play sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. At isang Pilipina ang napili na gumanap sa lead role ng theater show na pinamagatang Waitress, ang Filipino-Chinese na si Stephanie Sai.
I'm most excited that I'm doing this in my hometown in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I was born and raised here, and I'm really thrilled to be sharing it with my community and my family and all of my good friends and the people that I've met along the way. I've made stronger relationships with in the city. I'm really excited to show them this work.
Tungkol ito sa isang waitress sa isang maliit na bayan at kung paano siya nabubuhay sa gitna ng nararanasang kahirapan at pananakit mula sa kanyang asawa.
The talent in this production is incredible and moves me every single night. So I'm really excited to just share.
Isa lamang si Sai sa 3 Pilipina na nakasama sa cast ng isang major stage production sa Winnipeg.
It's really important that now that I'm being cast as this role that Victoria Esconde, who is also Filipino, is playing my mother, and then we have this one who is playing my daughter, and that put three more Filipinos on the stage, which is really important and really essential to this community's growth. So I'm really honored.
Ang anak ni Sai sa musical ay ang half-Filipina na si Eldin Lount.
8 points, and then I go look and I say, "Hi, Mommy," and then I run up to her. And then she says the order, and we say, side on its own plate.
You got it. She's got a couple lines. She sits on the counter and she gets some funny jokes and magic tricks shown to her.
I know there's a lot of practice. Do you get tired of it?
No, I never get tired.
That would be my answer too.
Why?
Why don't you get tired?
It's because I'm not really a sleep girl. That's because I'm a morning girl. I'm mostly not that lazy.
She's not that lazy.
Not that lazy. All right. Well, that's a cool answer.
Ipinapalabas ang Waitress sa Royal Manitoba Theatre Center hanggang sa unang araw ng Pebrero. Umaasa si Sai na marami pa sanang Pilipina ang ipakita rin ang kanilang galing sa teatro at pasukin ang industriyang ito.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my amazing Filipino mentors who have really taken me under their wing and really supported my art and my ambition. And I also want to be that person for everyone else. We would love for everyone to come see our musical,
Waitress,
running until February 1st at the Royal Manitoba Theatre Center.
Tunay ngang hinahangaan ng iba't ibang lahi ang talentong ipinapamalas ng mga Pilipina sa produksyong ito. Tulad ni Stephanie, Eldin at Victoria, hindi rin imposible anila na mas marami pang kababayan ang makilala sa larangang ito ng teatro dito sa Canada.